Grabe naman, napaka-photogenic mo dyan, girl. Hala, ang ganda ng view. So, wala masyadong tao. We drove here. Nauna yung motor. There. Do not throw garbage. Kahit hindi siya private property. Wala.
Taas ng alon.
We.
Lipat! Taas ng alon lang yan.
Change venue.
Open the door.
I think I did. I'ma do it again. Okay. So, yun. 30! Takpan natin yung ano. Pwede, lakad tayo dun.
Naalala ko si Toby.
Ay, oo, yung inihian niya yung ano, inihian niya yung pagkain.
Hindi ka naka-plastic.
Mabote na lang. Mabuti na lang, ha.
Did you see cinematic?
No, as it's ano, I haven't tried the cinematic yet, but we can later when you guys in the
30.
water. Oh, I got that on video.
30. 30.
No, ang ganda ng dagat niya. Nagpa-vlog. Asan si Tita Colleen? Ha? Later. Okay, so tawid tayo dun. No, you can. It's not that deep, I think. In the middle. Go.
Watermelon?
Yeah, or water.
Ang subo yun.
Yeah, water also. You don't want water. See?
I got the part without seeds.
Where's Kuya Chase? So much. Where's Chelsea? Oh, I can't find Chelsea.
Cereal?
Ito.
Cereal.
There's watermelon.